What is a trustee-beneficiary conflict? Have you ever wondered what happens when the person managing a trust has different interests than the people benefiting from it? This situation is known as a trustee-beneficiary conflict. It arises when the trustee, who is responsible for managing and administering a trust, has interests that do not align with those of the beneficiaries. The trustee has a legal obligation to act in the best interests of the beneficiaries, but conflicts can occur when personal interests interfere with this duty. Sometimes, trustees are also beneficiaries of the same trust. This dual role can complicate matters. For instance, if a trustee stands to gain from a decision regarding trust assets, they might prioritize their own benefit over that of other beneficiaries. This can lead to serious issues, including breaches of fiduciary duty, legal disputes, and financial harm to the beneficiaries. Common examples of these conflicts include situations where a trustee uses trust assets for personal gain. This might involve investing trust funds in their own business or using trust money to pay off personal debts. Another example is when a trustee sells trust property to themselves or to another trust they manage at a price lower than its market value. Additionally, a trustee might provide themselves with loans from the trust without proper authorization or terms, which is also a conflict of interest. These actions are considered self-dealing and are prohibited because the trustee must avoid any transaction that benefits themselves at the expense of the trust or other beneficiaries. To maintain transparency, trustees are required to provide detailed accountings of all trust transactions to beneficiaries. This accountability allows beneficiaries to monitor the trustee's management and detect any misconduct early on. Conflicts of interest can sometimes be unintentional or not fully recognized by the trustee. Therefore, it is advisable for both trustees and beneficiaries to seek guidance from experienced estate or trust attorneys. Legal counsel can clarify fiduciary duties, identify potential conflicts, and suggest ways to resolve disputes or prevent conflicts from escalating. In the context of elder law and estate planning, managing trustee-beneficiary conflicts is essential. It ensures that trusts serve their intended purpose, which is to protect and distribute assets fairly to beneficiaries, including elderly or vulnerable individuals who may rely heavily on the trust's proper administration. Addressing these conflicts promptly helps maintain family relationships and safeguards the trust assets for their rightful recipients.